Day 2 of solving DSA. Today we're gonna solve an easiest array problem, that is remove element. Here the problem says that we are given a list of numbers and one value. This is a list of numbers and this is the one value here, and we need to simply compare these values within the list to the value, and if that value was found inside the array we need to remove it, and then we need to pull all the remaining numbers to the front of the list and also return the number of values found that are not equal to the value, like this. Here the value is to be found in this array. If the value is found, then we have to remove it. In this example 3223, here the value is 3, so we are removing the 3 from this array at 0th index and 3rd index. The remaining numbers are 2 2. These will move forward at the beginning of the list, and after these numbers they don't care about we give, they don't care. This is another example, and the final array should be like this. To pull this off we need a loop to this to happen, and an index to locate and move the numbers. So we are getting a index here, and we are looping through the list nums. For n in nums means in the list and here at the first index. So if n not equal to value is 2 here, so we're comparing with 2. 0 is not equal to 2, so nums of I equal to n, so it will be moved to this location itself. If there is no number, or if the value is 2 here, then it will be skipped to here 1, and this one will be pushed to here, like that it will happen. Here in this example we have 1 2 2 3 0 4 and 2. Here I will be at 0th index. In this index first one will be skipped and moved within itself. I will be pushed forward, and same will happen. I is updated to second index. Here 2 is equal to 2, so it will be skipped and will be skipped, and is here 2 equal to 2, again it will be skipped, and here n is not equal to 2, 3 is not equal to 2, so it will be moved to ith location, and I is updated to here. Again 0 will be same, and 4 also, like that it will happen, and the final value will be like this array 0 1 3 0 4. These three are not updated because they only care about how many indexes are there, total 5, and the remaining values that are not equal to 2. That's it.